Nike's recent leadership change, Elliot Hill taking over from John Donahoe, signals a renewed focus on innovation and moving beyond overused sneaker lines. One such model, the Dunk Low, has seen waning hype in recent seasons. However, Nike is aiming to revitalize the silhouette with a premium twist through the upcoming Harris Tweed x Nike Dunk Low collection. Scheduled for fall 2025 and releasing in women's sizing, the capsule includes 3 distinct pairs. While 2 colorways remain unrevealed, a first look at one design showcases a black houndstooth pattern, a refined nod to Harris Tweed's Scottish heritage. Premium materials and sleek black overlays create a polished, fashion-forward aesthetic that contrasts with recent casual dunk drops. Though official release details are limited, each pair is expected to retail for $135. More information, including stockists and launch dates, is anticipated as the fall season approaches.